Hello everyone, this is Yves from ZOOMKIN Engineering Equipment. Today I'd like to introduce the XCMG XE200GH, a next generation 2010 excavator built for strength, efficiency and comfort.
Let's start with the bucket. The XE200GH comes standard with a 1.0 cubic meter earth bucket, reinforced for durability and high breakout force. A 1.1 cubic meter option is also available for higher productivity in heavy dirty digging. Now to the engine. It's powered by a custom twin-turbo Cummins engine, delivering strong low-speed torque, fast response, and great performance in high-altitude or heavy load conditions. The electronic control hydraulic system helps reduce fuel consumption by 5 to 8%, with no need for urea. Inside the cab, you get high-strength steel protection, 10% more glass area for better visibility, and automotive-grade comfort. Features include an air suspension seat, smart AC system, and ergonomic controls for fatigue-free operation.
The XE200GH is a reliable partner for any tough job. Thanks for watching. Feel free to contact us for more details.